Hi everyone, welcome back to AIPURE. Recently, we reviewed and compared 4 popular AI image generators and found that Recraft stood out, delivering amazing results in both image quality and speed. After using it for a few days, we discovered some impressive new features. So, today, we're going to guide you through using Recraft in 7 easy steps. Whether you're new to Recraft or a seasoned pro, this tutorial will help you get started fast. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Your support means the world to us. Let's jump in! First, a quick intro to Recraft. Formerly known as Red Panda, Recraft is an AI graphic design tool developed by the London-based company Recraft. It ranks high on Hugging Face's text-to-image leaderboard, with an impressive ELO score of 1,172 and a 72% arena win rate, outperforming competitors like Midjourney and OpenAI. Since its launch in 2023, Recraft has attracted over 1.5 million users across 200 countries, generating more than 200 million AI images. Let's start with the basics. Recraft uses projects as its core unit, giving you an unlimited blank canvas to create and edit images. Projects can be shared for collaborative work with features like comments, making it ideal for teamwork. After logging in, head to the Projects tab to create a blank project, and you're ready to begin generating images. Inside each project, start with a blank canvas. Select Image, then adjust the aspect ratio, image size, and generation quantity from the left menu. Pick a model, add your prompt, and click Recraft to generate. New users get 50 free credits daily, with each image costing 1 credit, a generous amount to get you started. When generating multiple images, they'll stack on a single board. Use the preview thumbnails at the bottom to review and choose your favorite. Once generated, you can adjust colors, hue, saturation, brightness, or export the image to your device. That's the basic process. Recraft's newest model, Recraft V3 Raw, can produce high-quality images in various styles. If you want even more artistic control, explore the style options like illustration, hand-drawn, grain, pencil sketch, clay, and pixel art, all available in the left menu for one-click access. To create a new board, click Image at the top. Drag to adjust its ratio. Use the eye icon at the bottom right to quickly view community images, favorites, and history. After selecting an image, you can use the icons at the top to edit it with features like partial redrawing, background removal, mockup conversion, and upscaling. With these, you can design banners and covers without switching tools. Click the 5th icon in the top left to create a frame board. This allows you to add text for detailed control, making it easy to generate text-based images or vector graphics. To upload a design draft, click the final Upload Image icon in the top left. Select it, choose your style model and prompts, and hit Modify Image. The similarity parameter lets you adjust how closely the new image matches the original. Recraft also has an image set feature that groups 6 boards into a set, letting you test a single style with 6 different images. This is perfect for creating mood boards to see if a style fits your project. With Recraft's style training, you can create a custom style by uploading 5 images with a similar look. This simple LoRa style model allows easy use across your projects. To start, create a blank board. Open the model selection list on the left, click the orange plus button to access the training area, upload your images, and test the style with prompts. Once it's refined, save it to your library, ready to apply to new images. One of Recraft's standout features is vector editing, offering options like text-to-vector conversion, bitmap to vector, and SVG export. Choose models like vector art or line and fill for vector format images, or right-click on a bitmap to vectorize it. Double-clicking a vector image opens a color editor, allowing precise color adjustments. Recraft also has an AI prototype function that is very useful for designers. You can preview the application effect of the image on the physical object at any time without downloading the prototype file. The specific operation is as follows. Step 1. Click the small clothing icon in the upper left corner of the interface to create a prototype canvas, and then generate a prototype image you need. such as models, t-shirts, cups, books, electronic products, etc. Step 2. After the prototype is generated, there will be a blank canvas in the image for generating texture content. You can reset the generation model, aspect ratio, prompt words, etc., generate a new image, then right-click, select Remove Background to remove the background, and then adjust the size and position of the texture. It will automatically merge into the prototype item. Step 3. If you generate the texture content first, and then generate the prototype image, then drag the texture into the prototype image directly and wait for a while for the two to merge automatically. If it is a local design draft, upload it to the interface first, and then drag it into the prototype. There are many high-quality images generated by other users in the Recraft community. We can often visit and learn from their prompt word writing methods and ideas. If you like an image, you can click the heart icon to collect it and view it in the favorites section. That's our guide to Recraft's features. If you enjoyed this, please give us a like and subscribe for more AI content. See you next time!